Hello students, myself Aarti KS. I am going to present the video on the subject Fundamentals of Computer, subject code 20CS11T of first semester, which belongs to Computer Science and Engineering, on the Unit 1, Basics of Logic Design of Session 3. Topic is Conversion between Binary, Octal and Hexadecimal Number System. Next we move on to the table of contents. First one, octal to binary, binary to octal, hexadecimal to binary, binary to hexadecimal, octal to hexadecimal, and the last one, hexadecimal to octal. Next we move on to the conversion between octal to binary. First step, convert each digit of the octal number to its 3-bit binary equivalent. Take every digit of the octal number and group into 3-bit binary number. Second step, combine all the 3-bit sections. Example, convert octal 2314 base value 8 is equal to binary equivalent 2. We go on to the table. Start writing the digits from right hand side to the left hand side, that is 4, 1, 3, 2. Hence here we have to write the equivalent binary number is of 3-bit position. So we can write the 3-bit position to the power of 0, to the power of 1 and to the power of 2. To the power of 0 is 1, to the power of 1 is 2 and to the power of 2 is 4. So the octal number 2 can be written as 0, 1, 0. So the value of 2 can be written as 1 here. Next, 3 can be written as 0, 1, 1. That is, position of 1 and 2 can be added. 2 plus 1 is 3. Next, 1 can be written as 0, 0, 1. That is 0, 1, 0, 1. And 4 can be written as 1, 0, 0. So, the equivalent binary number for an octal number 2 is 0, 1, 0, 3 it is 0, 1, 1, 1 it is 0, 0, 1 and 4 it is 1, 0, 0. So, equivalent binary numbers is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, base value 2. Next, we move on to the conversion between binary to octal. First step, group the bits according to the numbering system. Second step, when converting from binary to octal, group the bits in 3 bits starting at the binary point. Take every digit of a binary number and make a group of 3 bits starting at the binary point. So, then convert each group of 3 bits to its octal equivalent and zeros is added if necessary. Example, convert 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 base value 2 into octal. We go on to the table, that is, take binary number and make a group of 3 bits, that is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 and 1 is left out, for thus 2 zeros can be added. So this forms a separate binary group. Hence here we have got 5 separate binary groups and each group of 3 bits. So the equivalent octal number can be written as 001 is 1, 100 is 4, 011 is 3, 010 is 2 and 001 is 1 according to the 3-bit positions. So equivalent octal number is 14321 base value 8. And next we go on to the conversion between hexadecimal to binary. Take the first step, convert each digit in the hexadecimal number to its 4-bit binary equivalent. Take every digit of the hexadecimal number and convert into 4-bit binary equivalent. Second step, combine the 4-bit sections. Example, convert FCFD base value 16 is equal to binary equivalent 2. We move on to the table and start writing the digits of an hexadecimal number from right hand side to the left hand side, that is D, F, C, F. So equivalent binary numbers can be written as 4 binary bits. That is, we should take 4 bit positions: 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2 and 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 0 is 1, 2 to the power of 1 is 2 and 2 to the power of 2 is 4 and 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Now we move on to the value of a hexadecimal number F can be written as 15. So that is, all the bits positions can be made as high, that is 1, 1, 1, 1. So 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. Next we move on to the value C is equal to 12. That is, 8 and 4 is made as 1, 1 and 2, position of 2 and 1 is written as 0, 0. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Again value 15 is already written. Next we go on to the value D is value 13. So it can be written as 8 is made as 1, 4 position is made as 1 and 2 position is made as 0 and 1 position is made as 1. So 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. Hence, the binary equivalent of a hexadecimal number F can be written as 1111. C can be written as 1100. F can be written as 1111. D can be written as 1101. So the equivalent binary number is 11111111111101 base value 2. Next we move on to the conversion between binary to hexadecimal. We move on to the first step. Break the binary number into 4-bit sections from LSB to MSB. Take the binary number and break into 4-bit sections from right hand side to the left hand side. Second step, zeros can be added if required. Last step, convert the 4-bit binary number into its hexadecimal equivalent. Example, perform 11001011010001 base value 2 into hexadecimal equivalent. We move on to the table. Take any binary number and break into 4 bits binary group. That is 1, 0, 0, 0, again 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. And the last 2 bits is left out. For that, 2 zeros can be added so that it forms a separate binary groups. Hence we have got 4 separate binary groups of each group is of 4 bits. So 0011, the equivalent hexadecimal number can be written as 3. 0010, it can be written as 2. 1101 can be written as D, and 0001 it can be written as 1. Hence, equivalent hexadecimal number is 32D1 base value 16. Next, we move on to the conversion between octal to hexadecimal. Take the first step, convert octal number to its binary equivalent. Take every digit of the octal number and make a group of 3 bits binary equivalent. Second step, convert resultant binary equivalent number into hexadecimal number by grouping 4 bits from right to left. Take the resultant binary equivalent and convert into hexadecimal number by grouping 4 bits from right to left. Example, 615 base value 8 is equal to hexadecimal equivalent 16. Step 1. Convert given octal number to binary. Take every digit of the octal number and make a group of 3 bits binary number. So, we move on to the table. So, octal number digits can be written from right hand side to left hand side, that is 5, 1 and 6. So, the binary equivalent numbers can be written as, for 6 it can be written as 1, 1, 0. For 1 it can be written as 0, 0, 1. For 5 it can be written as 1, 0, 1. That is 3 positions we have to take it, to the power of 0, to the power of 1 and to the power of 2, that is 4, 2 and 1. 6 can be written as 1, 1, 0. 1 can be written as 0, 0, 1 and 5 can be written as 1, 0, 1. And we move on to the second step. Convert resultant binary equivalent into hexadecimal by grouping 4 bits from right to left. Take the resultant binary number and convert into 4 bits from right hand side to the left hand side. So, we move on to this grouping 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 and last 1 bit is left out. For those 3 zeros can be added. So, this forms a separate binary group. Hence, we have got 3 separate binary groups and each binary group is of 4 bits. We move on to the table. Here we have got separate binary groups, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So, equivalent hexadecimal number can be written as 0, 0, 0, 1 is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0 is 8 and 1, 1, 0, 1 is D. So, equivalent hexadecimal number is 18D, base value 16. Next, we move on to the conversion between hexadecimal to octal. First step, convert hexadecimal number into binary. Take every digit of a hexadecimal number and make a group of 4 bits binary equivalent. Convert resultant binary number into octal by grouping 3 bits from right to left and zeros can be added if necessary. Take the resultant binary number from the first step and group into 3 bits and zeros can be added if required. Example, perform 2AB 9 base value 16 is equal to binary equivalent 8. First step, convert the given hexadecimal number to binary. Take every digit of the hexadecimal number and make a group of 4 bits. So, we move on to the hexadecimal number, that is that we can write from right hand side to the left hand side, that is 9, B, A and 2. So, equivalent binary numbers can be written as, for 2 we can take a 4 bit positions. So, that is 0, 0, 1, 0. For A can be written as 1, 0, 1, 0. For B can be written as 1, 0, 1, 1. For 9 can be written as 1, 0, 0, 1. So, step 2. Convert the resultant binary equivalent into octal by grouping 3 bits from right to left. Hence, the resultant binary number can be further divided into binary groups and each group is of 3 bits, that is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 and 0, 1, 0. So, here we have got a table. So, we have got 5 separate groups and each group is of 3 bits. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So equivalent octal number can be written as for 0, 1, 0 it is 2, 1, 0, 1 it is 5, 0, 1, 0 it is 2, 1, 1, 1 it is 7 and 0, 0, 1 it is 1. So equivalent octal number is 2, 5, 2, 7, 1 base value 8. Next we move on to the multiple choice questions. The octal equivalent of the binary number 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 base value 2 is options are A 422, B 242, C 224 and D 226. Answer is C 224. We take the binary number and make it to 3 bits 0, 0, 1 and 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, again 0, 1, 0. So 0 has been left out. So the value of the binary number equivalent is 0, 1, 0 is 2, again 0, 1, 0 it is 2 and 1, 0, 0 is 4. So the equivalent value is 2, 2, 4. Next, second question. Convert 5401 base value A to hexadecimal. Options are A, A01, B, A02, C, B01, D, C01. Answer is C, B01. Third question. What does the symbol D represent in a hexadecimal number system? Options are A, 8, B, 16, C, 13, D, 14. Answer is C, 13. Next, the binary number 1110 in hexadecimal form is A, 6, B, E, C, 14, D, 15. Answer is B, E. Next question. The hexadecimal equivalent of a binary number 001 00011 is A 26 base value 16, B 20, C 23, D 30. Answer is C 23. Key answers are question number 1 answer is C, question number 2 answer is C, question number 3 answer is C, question number 4 answer is B, question number 5 answer is C. Thank you.